under their gears.
Okay, first thing you want to do to take your gas tank off is remove the center console. And it's just 3 Allen bolts. 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom. Get these connectors out of your gauges. And the connector in the middle is just a push-in tab, and you get that removed, and then you can put the wires aside. Then you can remove the lower bolt at the bottom of the gas tank. Loosen the top bolt, because we're going to lift this gas tank up. I'm going to put a towel under here to lift the bottom of the gas tank up. I'll go ahead and put my towel under the bottom of the gas tank so I can make room underneath here. And you have your fuel line inlet right here. You have your overflow tube next to it. And then there's the connector for the fuel pump that will have to get disconnected. And the tab to release that Molex connector is on the top of that connector. That's the hardest part, is to disconnect this connector right here. And the release mechanism is on the top, and then you pull back and it'll come out. Fuel pump disconnected, you'll want to purge your gas tank. So go ahead and turn your motorcycle on and then hit the start button to start your motorcycle. And I think the book says to do it 3 times. So you just hit the start button, let off, hit the start button, let off, and that's going to purge out your gas tank and get all the pressure off of there for when you take the gas connector off. Okay, now that the gas tank's purged, you could take the side cover off here, get access to your main fuse, and remove your main fuse right inside there. Right, next is to remove the fuel line. You push up on the silver part and pull down on your fuel line. It'll come apart. I'll give it a little cleanup. Next is the overflow line. Just pull straight down. Comes right off of there. Now we can remove the front bolt. We'll get that off of there, and we can pull the gas tank off.
Breeze. I got my knees in the breeze, and I'm feeling okay. Ooh, yeah. In the breeze.
Okay, with that front bolt out, we'll just go ahead and lift the gas tank off of the motorcycle. And there it is. I'm just going to go ahead and set it down under my workbench here. You'll want to set it on something soft. And that's the gas tank removed. Now we can get to our spark plugs. Once you've done it a couple times, it's not that bad of a process to remove the gas tank. This is a spark plug autopsy. These are the 2 front ones. These are the 2 on the exhaust side. You can see water gets in through the heads, and then they'll rust out. And I'll show you what I'm talking about here. On this side of the bike, the deep ones, when you're washing your bike, water gets in there. If you're riding in the rain, it gets in there and it can't get out of there. On this side, It's shallow, and you can get the water will come out. It's four spark plugs on a Milwaukee 8. Not too bad to change out, honestly. If you've done the gas tank once or twice, it's not too bad. That's my little spark plug at Hot Topsy. The burn is I got the EPA fuel tuners in there. You can leave me a comment what you think. That's not bad. Let's grab another one here. Not super bad. These were the NGK Iridiums. I just went ahead and put the stock Harley ones back in because they came with the oil change kit. So, and they work fine.